I have noticed that your child is having trouble reading and identifying speech sounds and decoding, which is relating letters to the words. Dyslexia is a learning disorder that can cause difficulty reading due to the lack of being able to identify speech sounds and decode, which is relating letters to words. You can diagnose it with reading tests and symptoms that are provided by a parent or a friend, a teacher. The doctors will put that together and they will find out if they are dyslexic or not. It is linked to genes, it runs in families, and it is caused by a difference in the brain stem. There's no physical problems when it comes to this, except for your child may be frustrated that they cannot learn the same as their other peers, but they can still learn, they learn in different ways than their peers will who are not dyslexic. I have noticed that your child is showing signs of motor delays. A motor delay is a slow development of fine motor skills or gross motor skills. Could be grabbing a pencil, crawling, or walking. Crawling and walking are gross motor skills, and grabbing a pencil or a spoon is fine motor skills. How they can assess this is they do tests and they have a child move or play, and by then they figure out if they're showing signs of that and if they are not. The thing that can cause this is premature birth, because they do not have enough time to develop, so they won't be able to get those muscles they have to be able to grab stuff or crawl or walk. To help with this, you can set up physical therapy, and this can also harm their emotional health because they could be frustrated they can't be doing things the same as their peers. A social delay is the impairment of the ability to communicate and react with others like a child should be. Doctors can figure this out by doing social tests with them and assessing symptoms that the parents, caregivers, whoever gives out. What causes social delays are usually just a difference in brain development, not compared to depression, but it can be like that because they're both differences in the brain. What can help with this is medication, and medication prescribed by your doctor. And this can give children anxiety, being around others, just a lack of social skills that they do need to succeed in life.